Going.
Okay, that's what it is. Let's try it again. Oh. Bring it closer, Margie.
I'm bringing it closer. I see it sparking. So?
It's getting there. Come, bring it over here, please.
There it goes.
Okay, there it goes. You see that?
Yeah, I see it. Now what?
Now you got to light it.
Okay, it's lighting.
Okay.
There you go.
Now I can take over.
Okay.
See, this is the magic thing. Right here. Okay. See how fine, nice it is? Look. So this is the chicken in there, and then I'm gonna have some vegetables, some potato, bell pepper, mushroom, onion, and that's it. So this is the barbecue sauce, a little bit brandy in there at the bottom, and that's it. Look at how pretty it is. Look at how pretty it is.
Yeah, plus you get some heat off in it.
That's the fire we're gonna burn in? Here's the preacher lady.
Yeah, you're gonna burn in hellfire.
It's okay. Hey, let me throw that in there. That has a pretty smell.
I see it.
Yeah,
That's what I want.
it has a pretty smell.
See how good it burns. Yeah, it gets on fire right away.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. He's chopping some vegetables.
Look. That's how they chop?
No, they take the seeds out, but I guess you're
forget
leaving.
about it. They try to... I put the stem too. That's where the flavor is.
No, it's not. It's just a bunch of seeds.
Okay.
Now what do you got? A tomato?
Tomato. Bring it closer, Margie. Right here. Mushroom.
No fire.
Huh?
Can't see the fire.
Okay. How about now?
Nope.
Okay. Okay. And this is the pepper.
Yeah, that I don't like.
Okay. All right. Potato, I put them in the microwave a little bit, you know.
No.
Okay. How is that?
Yes,
Now
it's okay.
you throw all these stuff in there. And look.
And what's that oil you're using?
Olive.
Olive oil, okay.
Okay, that's it. And now the shot of whiskey.
And that's it. Here I go. There's
Survival, I can survive good, right?
Yeah, you'll be able to survive if you don't burn yourself up.
If I can light everything.
Yeah, and if you stop messing around.
Salute.
Salute to who?
That's to who? Can't tell.
Spanish word. Yeah, I can't tell who it salutes to.
Okay.
He don't tell you
Turn
the
it off,
true
baby. Turn
story.
it off. Turn it
Okay,
off.
off. It's complete.